Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you step by step how to update software to latest version on Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Unlock your phone and open the Settings app. This app is essentially the control center for your device, giving you access to connections, apps, display, sound, security, and privacy settings. Step 2. At the top of the settings screen, you'll notice a search bar. Tap on it and type Software Update. This is a quick way to navigate directly to the section where Samsung provides system updates for your phone, saving you time from scrolling through multiple menus. Step 3. From the search results, select Software Update. Inside, you'll see a button labeled Download and Install. Tap it, and your phone will check for any available updates. This process might take a few minutes depending on your internet speed and the size of the update. Step 4. If an update is available, your phone will display the details of the update, including version number, size, and new features. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully to download and install it. Ensure your phone is connected to Wi-Fi and has sufficient battery, ideally above 50% before starting. After installation, your Samsung Galaxy phone will restart, and you'll be running the latest software version, enjoying improved performance, new features, and important security enhancements. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips.